Hey guys, welcome back to our Techies, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix a dead MIUI MI camera or MI home security camera. So this is a MI camera and it's completely dead. There is no symbol of life. Even I have connected it to power, but there is no symbol, it's not getting on. So in this video I'm going to show the best and the easiest way to fix that kind of problem. So for that, first of all, you have to like remove that cable, and you have to open that. You can open that from here in that way. From the bottom side you can open it easily. Okay, so here it is. You can easily open that. So here is the speaker, it's connected, and this is the reset button. So simply connect the power and press that reset. Then you will see hear a sound. Okay, still no power. Okay, here it is. Now power, you can see the power is blinking. So now we have to do okay, still again power gone. Okay, now okay, still power. So here you can see how to fix that. You have to hold the reset area simply, and then click the reset button. It will start working, and on the meantime your speaker little bit sometime gets shrunk. Okay, so now it's asking to scan a device. So let's see. So it is now, it's started working. So it started working. So this is the way. In that way you can easily fix that your MI home security camera. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.